In this video, you'll learn how to set up a ship from address in your system. To create a ship from address, make sure you are logged in as an admin. Once logged in, go to the Shipping tab. On this screen, look for the Create Ship from Address button. Keep in mind that this button may not be visible to all users. Click the Create Ship from Address button and begin filling out the form. All fields marked in green are mandatory. The ID field does not auto-increment, so you'll need to manually enter a unique ID. Provide the company name, street address, and city. Select the state from the drop-down menu and enter the zip code. Input a phone number. Make sure it's numeric only, with no dashes or dots. After entering the details, a verification window will appear. The system checks the address against official postal records. You'll be given two options: use the entered address or accept a corrected version suggested by the system. Once verified, the address will be saved and available in the Ship from drop-down menu. To use it, click the arrow at the top and select your newly created address. If you need to make changes later, this can be updated in the address book.